Welcome back. It is now time for Anisha and I to don our thinking caps in this week's sponsored Case by Case with We Win Injury Law.
But before we do, this time we're inviting you to join us. So please, if you can, open up your phone, open up your computer, go to abc4.com/case by case. We'll give you a minute to do that as Tyler T. Todd goes through these cases. We want you to vote with us, and we'll show you the live results at the end when Dina and I give our vote.
We love doing this. We always look forward to it. And Tyler, we're excited to mix things up and bring that audience participation in. Okay, deep breath. We're ready. What cases do you have today?
Are you guys ready? Lawyer caps on?
So how many of these are a case and how many are not?
2 are a case, 1 is not.
Okay.
Okay. And this is the classic left turn at a yellow, right? Right before we came on, we were just talking about how I'm surprised at how often this happens. And it happens way too often. So let's jump right into it. Case number 1, okay, this is the classic with an oncoming car coming through a green light, cars waiting at a left, to turn left, at a yellow, fails to yield. You said something about you like to just go, or your kids are like,
when the
you could have made that.
You could have made it. Well, I'm a visual person, so I have my hands on the wheel. Like, I'm looking at the car coming, and I go, and then I get hit in the intersection.
Yeah, so left turn, a driver turns and hits the person coming through the intersection.
Okay.
See, so are you a slow down person when you see the yellow light, or are you a speed up?
It depends.
I'm a speed up.
There's so many factors.
There's a lot of factors, and hopefully it's always a yield to oncoming traffic. That person did not, so is there a case for that person that gets injured turning left?
That's case number 1.
That's case number 1, okay? Case number 2, this is the classic. Both are coming and approaching on a yellow. So left turn, they both have yellow lights, crash in the middle of the intersection. Okay, so do either of those drivers have a case against the other?
Both were supposed to yield, both were supposed to see each other.
Correct.
And neither yielded.
And neither
They both
yielded.
went for it.
They both
pedal to the metal.
Pedal to the metal.
Okay.
Did not see the other guy.
Or you're thinking, you're predicting what they're going to do, and you
they
get it wrong.
Do something different.
Yeah.
Something different.
All right, that's case number 2.
Case number 3, okay, and this happens all the time too. We're waiting, we're at a yellow, we're waiting for traffic to clear, we're waiting. Our light turns red.
Okay.
And we have to wait for the intersection to clear. Once it turns red and the oncoming cars have stopped, we turn. The other way. The other cars now have a green, right, to your left, and they proceed to go through the intersection and hit you on a green.
So you've waited too long now. Your light's been red for a while.
To clear, and
they come and hit you the other way.
Correct.
Okay, I think I know.
And that driver is injured, waiting for the intersection to clear.
So we'll choose our number now.
So 2 are a case, 1 is not.
2 are a case. So we're choosing the one that is not
a case.
The case.
Correct.
I think number 2 has no case. And we'll explain our thoughts and feelings. Oh, number 3.
I think number 3 has no case. You waited too long and went on a red. That's not a time to yield. That's what I think.
Okay.
Okay, look at the numbers already coming in. All right, so look, overwhelmingly number 1, they say does not have a case. Case 2 coming in second and case 3 coming in third. So sorry, no one agrees with me at all.
Well, no, hold on. Let's see. They're still working on it. But I feel like with number 2, they both went for it. They both were kind of equal, both in the wrong. So one can't really sue the other and have anything hold up, right? But I feel like with number 3, you could say you ran the red, you hurt me.
Oh, you ran the red, there's fault.
Right.
So, Dina's right. It is neither driver has a case in number 2. And the reason why is Utah follows comparative fault negligence, meaning if either one driver is 50% or more at fault, there is no case. In that scenario, number 2, they both would have been found 50% at fault, which means neither would have a case against the other. On number 3, as we're waiting for the intersection to clear, even though they have a green, they still have a duty to yield to the driver that's out in the intersection, doing what he or she should have been doing, which was waiting for the intersection to clear on a yellow, Once the intersection was cleared, they have the right to turn.
That's interesting, because haven't you been in that spot where you couldn't go till it was red and you thought, do I back up? Do I go forward?
Right.
What do I do here?
You proceed and make your turn.
And everyone else is supposed to wait.
And oncoming traffic has to wait. You can't just plow into somebody even though you have a
Because
green
they're
light.
in the intersection.
Right.
Well, you're stuck. There's no way
Right.
to get out of it.
Right.
You'd be blocking traffic, but it's up to those other people to play by the rules as well. You
That's
said
right.
that this is so common. You see a
Too
lot
common.
of these cases.
Throughout the entire state of Utah, we see it all the time. And like I said earlier, I'm shocked every time I see it. It's just like, what's happening? And so, yeah, and we presume or assume things are going to happen, and we just can't do that. We got to follow the rules of the road, drive safely, get to where we're supposed to be doing, and make sure that we're doing what we're supposed to be doing.
But it's a precarious position
It is.
every time you see that yellow light. Do I go? Do I not go? I love that everybody weighed in.
That's awesome.
Everybody weighed in. So thank you so much for participating. And if you're thinking at home, wait, I have a case and I want to know if it is one or it isn't, how do people contact you?
Find us at wewininjurylaw.com. We have offices throughout the entire state of Utah. The consultations are always free.
That was really fun, getting everybody
like that
involved.
one.
There's a lot of good little lawyers to be out
Absolutely.
there.
And Dina,
Absolutely.
a better one than I, apparently. 435-422-4020. Jot that phone number down. You never know when you will need it. Thank you so much for being here. And thanks to We Win Injury Law for sponsoring that segment.